Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download HDFC mobile banking application on your smartphone. Whether you are an HDFC customer or just getting started, downloading their mobile banking app is the first thing to do. First of all, unlock your device. You can do this on Android or iOS both. And then go ahead and open up your App Store or your Google Play Store. In the search box, type in HDFC Bank and search. From the list, look for this application from HDFC Bank Limited and tap on the install or the get button to start the download process. If you're using iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start the download process. Wait for the app to install, and after installation is done, tap on the open button to open up the app and sign in using your customer ID or your credentials. After you're done, you can open up the app and sign in using your customer ID and IPIN or OTP based login. So that's how you easily download the HDFC mobile banking app on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.